Hello friends, welcome to Soul and Spark, a channel dedicated to helping you ignite your soul and spark your personal growth. Let us take some time today to introspect on the concept of the newness of life. Life is full of ups and downs, but at the same time, it is also full of opportunities to start anew. Every day is a chance for us to start fresh, to let go of the past and embrace the present with a renewed sense of purpose and enthusiasm. But I want to encourage you to hold on to hope, because newness is just around the corner. With each sunrise comes a new beginning, a new opportunity to make a change, to pursue a dream, or to start over. It's never too late to make a change, to learn something new, or to take a risk. It's never too late to start living the life you have always dreamed of. Every day is a chance to turn things around, to let go of what's holding you back, and to embrace the newness of life. In the end, life is what we make of it. We can choose to dwell on the past or worry about the future, or we can choose to live in the present moment and embrace the beauty and newness of life. So my friends, I encourage you to take a deep breath, let go of your fears, and step boldly into the newness of life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to more inspiring content.